Alright guys, we took a poll over on our Instagram page and y'all voted for a sweet recipe. So here are the ingredients for our double chocolate hummus. Make sure you take a screenshot. Go ahead and grab a food processor and throw in your garbanzo beans. You can also use black beans or navy beans, whatever you have on hand. If you use garbanzo beans, you're definitely going to want to make sure that you take those skins off the beans. It'll make for a much smoother and less grainy hummus. So you're just going to take your bean, pinch, and the skin will remove itself. You might have to help it off a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty simple to do, and it's just kind of like a little sleeve that comes right off. That's about the hardest part of this recipe. You're going to grab some raw cacao powder, throw that in there, which makes this like a superfood hummus, which is amazing, as well as some liquid sweetener. We are using agave, but you can use maple syrup or brown rice syrup. We are going to throw in some vanilla extract, which is going to make this a little bit sweet, and throw the lid on and blend that up. It'll take about 60 seconds to do that. And once you have that done, you're going to pop it open and throw in about a tablespoon at a time of water. You might need between 1 to 3 tablespoons, depending on how smooth or not smooth you want your hummus. I'm going to throw in the full 2 tablespoons in this recipe. Once you blend that up, then I'm going to throw in my chocolate chips, and I'm just going to pulse so that they kind of chop up a little bit. I definitely don't want to blend those chocolate chips in there. I just want to chop them up. You are pretty much set from here. Please let me know in the comments below if you want to see our cake batter hummus or any of our other dessert hummuses. In the meantime, I'll show you how to plate this up. We threw some fruit in there, some graham crackers, some really adorable little Annie's snickerdoodle gluten-free bunnies that we found that also happen to be vegan. You can throw this on toast as a spread with additional fruit. It really is versatile and you don't have to feel guilty about eating this. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and if you're hungry for more, check out another video.